How's it going, everyone? This is IJ Maha.
This is David Christopher.
And today we're going to be telling you about a proposal we are setting out to the Dash community. Today we're talking about having Dash as a keynote speaker at the Global Block Builders Conference in Austin.
Awesome.
Yeah, so we would like Dash to be one of the keynote speakers. So we'd like a member of the Dash community to give a keynote speaking opportunity for 25 minutes in Austin, Texas, April 10th through the 13th. And what can they be talking about?
They can be talking about any updates they have going on, any awesome projects they have going on, and what people can gain from participating or building on Dash, things like that.
Yeah, I want to think it's very, very important that people can learn what a dynamic community Dash has and what an incredible platform it is, because people migrating and developing on the Dash network. So we want to talk to developers. We want to tell people why they should invest in Dash, why they should be programming on Dash, and why they should be building dApps on Dash. Pretty cool, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we're looking to raise 124 Dash. That's to cover the travel expenditures, it's to cover the cost of a keynote speaking engagement, and then also they'll be getting a 10 by 10 booth. So tell them about the booth, Dave.
Yeah, honestly, the best part of a conference like this is the networking aspect. And with the booth, it makes it so much easier. You don't have to go find the people that you want to talk to. They can just come to you. Bring 6 or 7 of your representatives that can get the word out about Dash and why they should participate in the community, why they should invest.
Right. So we want people to be able to engage with the speaker, but then also some of the Dash members of the community. So we'll be reaching out to community members, and if you'd like to volunteer and participate, please email me. It's ijmaha@gmail.com. That's IJMAHA@gmail.com. People can reach us. And then also what's cool about this conference is that there's going to be a lot of different people attending it. So you can tell us people about who's going to be at the conference.
We have a lot of different representatives, people like Colin from Pre-Search. We have Daryl from the Concierge Club. We're getting people like
Valentin.
Yeah, Valentin from LA Token.
LA Token,
right?
Yeah. So they do about $65 million a day in transactions. So they're a very, very large exchange. And what's cool about this conference is going to be a myriad of speakers, but people can learn about the Dash community. People can learn about developing on Dash. And the conference is not only that, but we're also offering opportunities to network. So talk about some of the events we have planned.
We want to make this a fun event. It's not all about business for us. Honestly, the best networking happens when you're out having fun, throwing down a cold one. So what we have in the works is things like line dancing. Why? Because Austin, Texas, that's why. Things like karaoke. Why? Because we already have an awesome base, like community base around this conference already. And I know for a fact that many of us love karaoke.
Right.
You included?
No, I do. So another one is we're having a field day, and that's BYOB, that's bring your own barbecue, where we can play softball, where we play volleyball, we'll have potato sack races. Why are we doing this for the blockchain community? Well, we want the opportunity to people to network and really understand people's projects. You really don't get that when you're in a conference room, when you're on stage, but when people interact, that's where the magic happens through networking. We want to really promote Dash to the wider blockchain community and the world in general. So a lot of different kinds of people are attending. People who are attending also there's a huge student base from the University of Texas and Baylor, lots of universities. People can attend the conference for just $50 for 3 days, so they can learn about Dash. So yeah, we would really love your support by supporting this proposal. We also like people in the Dash community not just upvote this proposal, see if we can get this proposal passed, but we would like to see if you would like to be one of the representatives, if you would like to speak in Austin, that'd be very, very cool, or actually work the booth. So Dave, any parting ideas before we go?
All I can say is it's going to be a lot of fun. It's in Austin, one of the top 3 tech and fun cities in the world. live music capital of the world. Rock on. It's just going to be a fun, community-oriented. Of course, there's going to be investors, venture capitalists, and prominent blockchain companies out there. So great for networking. That's really all I got to say.
Yeah, no, talking about investors. So we have a ton of different people coming to this conference. So if you're looking for a project that could use support, maybe some strategic alliances, maybe some investors, maybe you just want some exposure, contact us. Once again, my email is ijmaha@gmail.com. You can go visit the website for the conference that we're talking about. It's called www.globalblockbuilders.com. You can find out more. So we are asking for your support from the Dash community to support us. We're looking to raise, get a proposal of 124 Dash. That is going to cover the cost of the speaking fees. That's covering the cost of the travel. That's going to be covering the cost of the booth. And we hope for other people in the blockchain industry to learn about all the great things that are going on with Dash and why they should be developing on Dash. I'm IJ Maha. Thank you so much for your time.
David Christopher, hope to see you there.
Thank you.